Today we're going to walk through installing a VOXEL Bento Box two-stage filter. So step one, you're going to take the fan shroud, take a fan, and you got to feed these wires through these holes. Both of these will go in, like so. Step two, you're going to take this air intake. It has these inserts in the corners, and you're going to want to make sure that these cables are coming out of this side. Step three is you're going to take these long mounting screws and you're going to feed them through these fan holes, and you want to line up the inserts and the fan mount. You can see here. Keep them relatively loose until you get them both in, otherwise they're going to be hard to line up. Do the other one, just the opposite corner, same thing. There you have that all attached. Step four, you're going to see this little L. This is for Bambu Labs only. It'll correspond with an L that's in the machine. When you come over here, if your printer has its bed anywhere other than its maximum height, you're going to have to move this bed out of the way because you need to get some working space. So first thing you want to do is press the slider tab. I go to the bed. One of these represents either 1 millimeter or 10 millimeters at a time. So we want it to go fast, so I'm going to give it a couple hits and it will stop when it goes its distance, and you can't over travel, it'll stop anyways. Step four, there's this little L, and there's also a little L that corresponds down there, and you want to line that up. It'll kind of just lock right in. Want to get those wires out of the way for now, and then you want to take that little screw that was in this bag here and screw this in. Just one screw, it's all it needs to hold. Step five, you're going to take your two wires here, and there's a little tiny hole, feed it through, and that will poke out. So now that you have the wires through, you just want to make sure they lay flat and are up against that back corner there so they don't interfere. They're pretty much out of the way.
Here's a pro tip. We did a little DIY with some conduit. Just cut a piece about 8 inches, wrap the wire with it, super quick and easy.
Step six, you're going to want to take the two wires, twist the red ones together, that's your positive, and on this little connector there's a plus sign. You want to put them into this little fitting right there. Take a little screwdriver, Phillips, tighten them up. Take your two black leads or your negatives. Twist these together. Little tug should be good. And this connector right here goes to your power supply. Plugs in like that. Step seven, you want to actually put the carbon filter on first. There's little magnets down here, and they click right in, and then the HEPA filter goes on top. Snaps in like that, and you're good to go.
So when you're all said and done, this is how it looks. Here's the bento box, and the X filter's up here. Now I'm going to plug in the bento box. You can definitely hear it with the door open. Now I'm going to close the door. But also keep in mind when the printer's printing, it's actually louder than the fan. So I think when it's all said and done, you don't hear anything. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be rolling out new videos all the time. And until next time, remember, no coffee, no work.